All right. I just saw these in the grocery store the other day. They are Hostess Frosted Strawberry Donettes, and I'm going to try a package, or try one of them, and just to see how they are, because it's something new and something different. So, okay, they come in little packages of 3 here. Chocolate covered. Let's see how this tastes. Not bad. In all honesty, other than a slight flavor of strawberry, pretty much tastes like regular chocolate covered donuts from or Donettes from Hostess. So yeah, I'd get them again.